Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We are here. We've got something really special to show you today. It's something we've been working on for almost 2 years, the idea of it, but can't wait to show you this. It's a 144 high roof Sprinter. It's an actual 4x4. Can't wait to show you. We really wanted to keep our Vandemic feel throughout the Sprinter. Not an easy task with how different the interior of the van is from the Promaster. We were able to keep the kitchen on the passenger side with a nice deep bar sink and a pull-down faucet. Under the sink is a lot of storage along with the on and off to the 12-volt water heater and the Blue Technologies water filter. In Vandemic fashion, a large cutlery drawer fits just above the fridge. You'll notice there is not a built-in stove, but a one-burner portable propane one is included, and of course the flip-up extension really adds to the counter space. To round out the kitchen, there's a large isotherm 85 fridge which provides 3 cubic feet of storage. We try to use every square inch possible, and that includes these storage cubbies on the slider door. On the passenger side, we fit another counter area with drawers underneath and 2 large overhead cabinets above. Back to the passenger side drawers, you'll see there are 4 of them that provide additional storage, and then a separate door for your toilet. We added some nice mood lighting in the living room in this build, and more than likely we'll continue doing this going forward. This amazing 4x4 Sprinter has factory swivels, which are awesome. And the driver's side seat, along with the built-in seat and lagoon table, make a perfect date night table. Having this built-in facing forward not only creates, as I mentioned, a great table, but an incredibly comfortable workspace. These blackout shades by Select Blinds are our favorite, and they really dress the huge AMA slider beautifully. We've added Vanspeed's Van Capsules to create a queen-size bed for sleeping. The two largest overhead cabinets are in the bedroom for all of your clothing. In the bedroom is a thermostat for the diesel Webasto heater, the dimmable bedroom lights, and two 110 outlets. Above the bed are two reading lights that each have a built-in USB. And it wouldn't be a Vandemic build without two max air fans. We love these as they really regulate the temperature and keep the air circulating all throughout the van. There's a 30-gallon freshwater tank in the garage, and customary in all of our builds is the heated outdoor shower. The huge garage has the last zone of lights, two more 110 outlets, and a shore power inlet. This 4x4 is equipped with Terravan Solar's upgraded all-in-one power system. It includes 460 amp hours of lithium, a 3000 watt inverter, a battery-to-battery charger, and a solar charge controller all in one. All designed to keep you all powered up wherever you are. We've added running boards to help prolong the life of your knees, and we've added all-terrain Wildpeaks with the ultra satin black rims. To help with the badassery, we've added a Flatline Van Co ladder and roof rack. All right, what did you think of that? We actually absolutely love this build. Do us a favor, drop a comment below. Let us know what your favorite feature was of this build. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and do us a big favor. Give us a thumbs up. This helps get it in front of more people. It really helps us out, and we would just appreciate it. Again, this is going to be available now from Vandemic, from us. We're adding this as another line of build, so if anybody out there has been wanting a 144 Sprinter, we are doing them now, and this is what it could look like. You could put your own little flair and touch on it. We can't wait to see who ends up in this bad boy, and we'll catch you on the next one.